Welcome to the Iron Horse Tracker, tracking the latest stories from Multinational Division Baghdad and the 4th Infantry Division. I'm Sergeant Kyle Flieger. Specialist Michael Cox tells us how MNDB soldiers are helping the government of Iraq instill confidence in local Iraqi leaders.
Local sheikhs from Sadr City met up with members of the 3rd Brigade Combat Team, 4th Infantry Division, to take a tour of the R3 water treatment plant to get a first-hand look at the facility and how it operates. Colonel John H. Hort, the commander of the 3rd Brigade Combat Team, 4th Infantry Division, says bringing sheikhs out to the water treatment plant lets them see firsthand how the Iraqi government is working for them.
Bringing the leaders out and demonstrating the hard work that's been done in support of the local community. And this hard work, even though it was a dual effort with the United States and the Iraqi government, it was done by Iraqi engineers and Iraqi workers out there building a water treatment plant that was really from scratch. There was nothing there 3 years ago, and today they have one of the largest water treatment plants in Iraq.
The R3 water treatment plant was a project that involved the government of Iraq along with Multinational Division Baghdad forces. The facility cost $24 million and pumps over 4,000 cubic meters of potable water to the residents of Sadr City per hour. Major Brian Harine, the Civil Affairs Officer for the 3rd Brigade Combat Team, 4th Infantry Division, says the tour provides the sheikhs with a better understanding of how important the facility is for the community.
Being able to provide potable water for the community is something that the sheikhs truly now understand, from where it begins to how it gets into the families and their local populace's homes.
The visit to the water treatment plant does more than just give the sheikhs a visual understanding of the facility. It provides a vision for the future of Sadr City and its citizens. Specialist Michael Cox, 3rd Brigade Combat Team, 4th Infantry Division Public Affairs Office, Baghdad, Iraq.
MNDB soldiers recently found explosives and arrested 3 special groups criminals in Baghdad's Rashid district. The 1st Brigade Combat Team, 4th Infantry Division soldiers from Company B, 4th Battalion, 64th Armor Regiment took the detainees, who are wanted for weapons trafficking, to a forward operating base for further processing. Other 1st BCT soldiers worked with the Iraqi National Policemen to detain a suspected Al-Qaeda in Iraq terrorist. The suspect is allegedly responsible for attacks in the area. That concludes today's Iron Horse Tracker. To learn more about the soldiers and units supporting Multinational Division Baghdad and the 4th Infantry Division, check out our website at www.hood.army.mil/4ID. From Baghdad, I'm Sergeant Kyle Flieger.